To get started, pre-wash your clothes in warm soapy water. After that, fill your container or stainless steel sink with enough hot water for your clothes to move freely. Shake up the bottle really well and add 4 ounces of the jet black to the dye bath. If you're dyeing cotton, rayon, ramie, or linen, add 1 cup of salt, or add 1 cup of vinegar if you're dyeing nylon, silk, or wool. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Squeeze out any excess water from your damp clothes and add them to the jet black dye bath. Stir slowly and continuously until desired saturation is reached. Carefully remove the clothing from the dye bath using tongs. Now let's lock it all in. Add 4 ounces of Color Stay dye fixative and then add the clothes you just dyed. Stir on and off for about 20 minutes. Once it's all done, rinse in cool water until the rinse water runs clear. And now we're officially back to black and looking brand new, all while saving our clothes from ending up in a landfill.